If you're like many people, you might feel shocked at how quickly your money disappears each month, but understanding where it goes is the first step to fixing it. One of the most popular budgeting methods people turn to is the 50-30-20 rule, but the real question is whether this simple formula actually works in everyday life. According to the 50-30-20 rule, your income is divided into needs, wants, and savings, a simple structure designed to make budgeting easier for anyone. The rule suggests that half of your income should cover essential needs like rent, food, transportation, and utilities, the unavoidable basics of daily life. Next, the rule allocates 30% to wants, the flexible spending that adds enjoyment to life. Finally, the remaining 20% is meant for savings, debt payments, or building an emergency fund. Many people appreciate the 50-30-20 rule because it's simple and gives them a clear starting point. But in reality, many people struggle because their essential expenses alone often exceed 50% of their income. With rising housing costs, higher food prices, and increasing transportation expenses, staying within the 50% needs limit has become extremely difficult. For many people, the 50-30-20 rule breaks down simply because their income can't keep up with rising basic costs. Many people also struggle to separate wants from needs, especially when modern life blurs the line between convenience and necessity. Lifestyle inflation also plays a role. As income increases, spending often rises just as quickly. Unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or emergencies can also disrupt even the most carefully planned budget. For people with irregular income, sticking to fixed percentages becomes even more challenging. Debt payments can also take up a large portion of income, leaving little room for savings or wants. This makes saving consistently extremely difficult, even for people who try to follow the rule. That's why many people adjust the percentages to better match their real-life situation. Some people create custom budgeting systems that fit their lifestyle, income, and priorities. Tracking your spending regularly can help you understand where your money actually goes. Once you become aware of your spending habits, you gain more control over your financial decisions. Thanks for watching the video. Please follow the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and turn on notifications for more financial lessons are on the way.